As I was trying to say, I was muted. Yeah, these headphones do have a muting feature. Just look at this shit, man. I'm in Fallout right now. Oh my god. But I had this all loaded up, and it's gotten a lot worse, guys. Every single dot in Michigan is dark red or orange. In fact, at the bottom here, you can see one yellow dot. And even some of these air sensors have gone offline here in Michigan. Most likely it's because the owners of those air sensors are, well, they either disconnected them. Sorry about the wind, but that's one thing I can't really control. But the camera does have a wind feature. Either way, this has definitely gotten so much worse. And I genuinely can't believe this. So I should have mentioned, as of recording this, it is now Thursday, July 16th, 11 in the morning. That was just me on the app here. I'm gonna connect to my camera again, so everything all around me while I'm recording. Nice feature, I do love it. It's not letting me join the camera's Wi-Fi for some reason. I even took some 3D pictures yesterday. I don't think I'm gonna add those in. Oh my god, this camera can actually see everything. Just everything all around me is fucking yellow. Showing you guys what it looks like, even though you can literally see everything. I mean, at least you guys could see the deer blind a little bit. Oh my god, man. And the birds are flying again. You guys can't even see them. Oh wait, no, you can. I've just seen two of them pass the camera. This is genuinely insane. Oh, I think oh no, the headphones disconnected from the 2.4 source. Damn, dude. Can you even see that seagull? No, you can't. I can see the seagull flying up there, but you can't. Because everything all around you on this camera is just yellow. Oh my god, man. I mean, I don't even know where to go. This is genuinely crazy. And the Michigan air sensor did update. And now the Alpena air sensor did update. Now we're only at like 400 on the levels. There's a little bunny right there. A little bun. But damn, dude. This is one hell of a view. Do you guys even see the sun? Oh my god, look at the fucking sun, man. That thing's red. Dude, it's like fucking Mars is our sun now. Look at that shit. I hear some dude chopping wood. Dude, that is insane. Now I see what my mom was talking about when she said the sun was red. Oh my god. That's just fucking crazy. I guess the air does feel a little better, but I can still smell that oak wood smell. But either way, I mean, as the sensor says, once levels reach past 301 parts per million, it's still hazard. And having like 400 or whatever is still beyond hazard levels. It's not as bad as it was yesterday where the levels got as high as 900. But yeah. In fact, if we go back to the airnow.gov website, if it lets me, let's see here. Alright, they're loading up slowly though. So these two sensors are the closest sensors to me. If we take a look, yeah, 426, and the levels got as high as 928 yesterday. So it's actually going down. In fact, the Harrisville one reached as high as 785, and then from there it's gone down as well. So these are the two closest air sensors to me. And as I said in the second video I'm making on this, I'm definitely going to be buying one of these sensors, because if something like this happens again, it would be very nice to have, but I have no idea when I'm going to get it. I know it's not going to be anytime soon, because actually I have to buy a MacBook, and I'm very excited about it, because that MacBook will come in so handy for editing these videos and editing 360 videos. And there's even a subscription I can get and sign up for, and I'm definitely going to do it, because it gives me not only a subscription for my iPad, but my iPhone and the MacBook, and it lets me have a whole suite of editing tools and even thumbnail tools, which I'm definitely going to be digging my hand into. And the subscription I think is like $129 a month. Or of course I could get the Final Cut Pro app and pay outright for it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to sign up for a yearly subscription. That's what I always do anyways. I sign up for a yearly subscription for Final Cut on my iPad. It's $50 a year, which honestly isn't bad. I really like that. It's pretty cheap, if I'm going to be honest. And it would take me about 6 years to actually pay. No, actually, Final Cut Pro is $399. So 6, 7, 8 years of me paying that subscription to get Final Cut Pro on the MacBook. It's honestly crazy when you think about it. And hold on, actually, I want to see, are these woods yellow to you? Because they weren't yellow last time. No. You see the fog though. But no, it's not yellow in here. It's yellow above, but... And I'm actually going farther this time. Might even pick up some mail, who knows. But yeah, this is the driveway from my house actually. It's really nice. And as you can see, it's not on fire. It's Canada who's on fire. I got some water just in case. But yeah, today's a lot better. A lot better. Mind you, we don't actually own these woods. It's some other people who own it. I think I've said this quite a few times now. And every time I say it, I'm worried because when I get up to the end here, I actually show my address, and I don't like that. I'm not going to edit it out either because, as I've said, I don't exactly have the best access to editing right now. Oh, a deer. 2 deer. Look at that. Oh, birdie. We're going to see some deer. I'm going to talk to them too if they let me. My Nana always talks to the deers. See the deer camera there? The people who actually own this property set up. They haven't come by in such a long time though. We didn't even get a chance to ask them a lot of questions either. So, hell, I've done trail maintenance with my friend. I paid for trail maintenance. So, I'll be right back. Neighbors can't really get that mad at us. I'm gonna keep the camera right there as I go and get the mail, because I'm not editing this part out. And I'm very curious to see how the mic works long distance. Okay, I got the mail. That was simple. And I'm surprised the USPS people are still mailing. Especially with all this shit. But, through rain or snow, I guess. Even our neighbors aren't at their house. I'm guessing they probably went up or went down more in Michigan. Shit, I wouldn't blame them. If I had the choice and I had vehicles, I'd want to get out of here too. Go down to Ohio or something. Tennessee. See my uncle's grave. That would be nice. But we're going back down the driveway. Hell, I can't use the garage's cover this time, because my boyfriend has his truck in it right now. Oh well. I got the mail. Either way, this is still insane though. And I'm imagining that red sun is like providing nil power to my solar panels. So, yeah, I'll definitely say the air quality yesterday was a lot more toxic than it is now. And it's honestly insane for the difference. the levels are a lot lower now. Still at hazard levels, but shit, it's a lot less hazardous, in my opinion. Yesterday it was really, really bad. Mosquitoes are biting me because I didn't put any mosquito spray. Honestly, I didn't plan to come out and walk though. But it's a good thing I did. I got me some exercise. I like to walk this trail if I can, especially every day. I just don't do it at a set time. You know? I don't know if that even matters to begin with. I just walk when I walk. It's a good thing I've been doing it too. I've been losing a lot of weight. I'm really proud of myself for that too. Now from my last weighing at the doctor's office, I was 197, which is really good. It used to be in the 250s. So I'm doing a lot better. But oh well. I don't think I can do too much. Oh, and my friend gave me more information. I forgot to mention. Apparently, Canada has air purifiers. I didn't know that. But here in the United States, I ain't heard nothing about that. But Canada, he even says he can hear them. And that they're really loud or something. Which that doesn't surprise me. I played a Roblox game. It's like a mechanical game. And even in that game, if you walk up to the air purifiers, they're really loud in that game. It's really annoying, actually. And that would explain why their levels are a lot lower than ours, especially considering their fucking wild trees are on fire. And I looked, man, Canada has over more than 100,000 fucking trees on fire. It's like 500,000, maybe a million trees just on fire. Thanks to the airnow.gov website, it actually reports how many trees are on fire. It's insane, man. That's a lot of trees. Oh, hawk. And I'm willing to bet it's a lot more, too. Alright. You put these letters away, and I'll be right back. Oh, wow, a lot of those berries are ripe. We actually have a berry plant over here. A lot of them. When I was a kid, we used to pick them. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Pumpkin is my kitty cat. Kitty cat that scared the shit out of us, which is why it's named Pumpkin. Not to mention the eye color. It's orange, so we named her Pumpkin. A lot of reasons. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, now you see why I can't close the garage. My boyfriend's truck. I'm gonna get me a Mountain Dew too while I'm out here. 'Cause every time I wake up, I'm just so fucking tired, man. It's really annoying. Mind you, this was before everything. Literally Facebook trying to make me pay $49.99 a month. That's a joke. Not like I use Facebook that much to justify that. Holy shit. Surprisingly, this was a very good spot to put the camera. Hold on though, I'm gonna get it into the fridge here. Get me a Mountain Dew. Bought me a 24 pack of these and now I only got like 4 left. Hell, I was thinking about cooking something to eat too on this grill, but shit, there ain't no point when I can't even come out here to breathe. Ow. Feels like I got a mosquito bite. I need that caffeine in my brain. Yeah, we'll put you guys up all the way over there. Now you can basically see the whole garage. My boyfriend actually cleaned out this half of the garage so that it could look better while he was fucking fixing his trucks and shit. So, it's a lot nicer in here. Oh yeah, since it's 11 o'clock, we can get a new reading on the sensors. Sometimes you gotta give it like 3 minutes for the sensors to update on the website. Okay, let's see. 426 still? Yeah, I guess the levels haven't changed much. Well, hell, this hasn't even updated since 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. That's weird. Why isn't the new sensor data updating? Yeah, none of these sensors are updating since 10 in the morning. That's really weird. Even the Oscoda one hasn't updated. And their levels are at 570 since 8. Smoke outlook issued for this area. What does that even mean? Just that there's smoke in the air? I mean, we kind of know that already. Numerous fires in the Great Lakes have the potential to send smoke into the outlook area. Associated fire activity is expected to remain active. Multiple large wildfires are burning across the Boundary Waters Canoe Area wilderness and extending into Canada that originated from a large lightning outbreak, which are producing significant smoke that's affecting a large area across the Great Lakes region and the eastern U.S. Thick smoke is currently blanketing much of the Great Lakes region, which is expected to continue throughout the day and into tomorrow. Storms and stronger winds from the southwest will start to clear out smoke late Friday, and most locations should see significantly improved air quality by Saturday. The worst conditions are affecting a large area across northern Wisconsin and northern Michigan, where hazardous to very unhealthy air quality conditions are present and are expected to continue throughout the day. Areas further to the south in northern Illinois and northern Ohio are in slightly better conditions this morning, but these are expected to worsen today and overnight, also reaching very unhealthy to hazardous levels based on the air quality index. That's a turkey, by the way. I hear someone pulling up. My boyfriend's here. Why is he here? Thought he was going to work today. It's fucking Thursday. Illinois and the Chicago area where conditions should improve by midday. In Wisconsin's winds will help push smoke out first into the southwest part of the eastern state early in the day and then transitioning to the eastern parts whole late afternoon and evening. Unfortunately, the far northern and northern eastern parts of the state will likely continue to be impacted in Michigan. And the northern Ohio area, including Cleveland, smoke will persist most of the day tomorrow, but will start clearing Saturday morning. Okay. Oh, it's not my boyfriend. I was wrong. It's actually my sister. With my mom. Well, Mama? What you doing?
Gotta get my other bag.
Ah. Well, I got to see the red moon. Yeah. Hell, it's still red.
Oh, scrubs.
Oh, that's cool. About to put my stick in.
Huh.
Right here. It works. A little bit.
A little bit. You're good.
There's trucks making a noise when she's backing up. Well, I got to record today and go all the way down to the driveway and back.
Yeah.
Levels weren't as high today.
Yeah.
It was actually really bad when,
And it's thicker coming south.
oh yeah. In fact, I'll even show you what my camera's picked up. Oh, gotta connect to it right now. Oopsies. No. And the wind. Let me see. Connect to it. And then get rid of that. You could see on the camera just how bad it was.
Mm-hmm.
And even the sun there. It's just red. Won't let me zoom in, sadly, but
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
screw that. You want some pop?
Oh, geez, and you want
How many?
2.
Alright. Come on, Locke. There we go. Didn't give my mom the Fagos, so I bought way too many of those. All these 12 packs of Fago Rack and Rye. Well, I'm glad someone's picking them because they're damn right.
Oh, yeah, they are. We got a good batch this year. We didn't let them go to waste.
No kidding. Oh, I thought that was a flashlight. I was like, hey, good thing you got a flashlight, but no, it's just a tube. Even,
I'm really surprised that the ducks and geese and shit ain't been over here.
yeah, that's a good thought.
Every time I've been letting them out, I've been watching, and not a one of them.
Your mama got a hold of me twice.
My mom did?
Yeah.
For what?
She's, talking to me about your sister, Chris.
What about her?
Telling me apparently she's going to Grayling. She's wanting to know how bad the air's over there is, and I should actually get a hold of her today because it got a lot worse. It was Grayling in there. I couldn't get an air sensor there to work. They don't have one, which is weird. I mean, Grayling's pretty popular. I mean, at least one person like me could have set an air sensor up. Not a single person.
Right, but once he got rid of, like, them are good.
I forgot they stay in your hands.
The berries.
Mm-hmm. But not a single person set up an air sensor, and anyone like me could buy one. Set one up on their roof or wherever. Hell, I was thinking about getting one and just setting it up in the middle of the field. It would be perfect there to get more accurate readings. They're only like $150 to $200. They're not that expensive. I thought they'd be like $400, $600, typical.
But nobody's gonna spend money on that.
Someone did in Alpena.
Probably a weather place, though.
No, it's just some random dude at the houses next to the Verizon store in that gas station.
Mm-hmm.
You go down there. Someone set one up down there. Just a random person at his house. They bought one. And I've been getting his readings. They got a lot better today, actually. They're not in the 800s.
The wind's blowing, that's why.
Yeah. Yesterday it was like in the 900s. It got to.
It was dead still.
Yeah. It was really bad. I do like this wind.
I'd pick more, but I'm worried about ticks.
Fair. Nana still got to get a weed whipper.
You gotta mow again.
Oh yeah. But she's got to get gas for it. That's why I haven't mowed. There's no gas. The hell is that?
A sticker on me. Oh. It prickered me. The berries hurt me. I thought that was a giant lattice glass.
Oh yeah, when I was walking to the trail, there was a little rabbit hanging out under the bird feeder.
Cody,
What?
you need a lighter.
Do I need a lighter?
I need a lighter.
Oh, I have plenty. You want one?
Yeah, I need one.
I got a whole box full of them.
You can't have lighters. You're not allowed to smoke. This is freaking me out. Somebody needs to take this down.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but I'm afraid it's going to be like poison oak or something, and I always use this bar.
Yeah. Let's set up that glass for Luna
This
there.
one, too.
Yeah, that one keeps going into the door and getting cut by the door.
Ugh.
I'll be in there in a bit. Yeah. Well, I got a lot of work to get back into in the house. So. I got my radios all set up. I've been trying to get a hold of people, especially with my repeater, but my repeater isn't that good. Especially since I don't have a big enough antenna. But either way, I'll do what I can do. It's only so much that I can do. Oh, finally, the video just posted. So now you guys will see the video entitled Wildfires from Canada Affecting Michigan. The thumbnail isn't that great, but that's why once I get that MacBook, I'm going to get that subscription. And
Sorry,
yeah.
I got a question.
It actually is working, the 360, because I exported the video as a 360 video.
Thought it was a good idea.
That's awesome. I love this camera. I just hate that I can't export the footage all in one batch. I have to do it one by one. It's so annoying, but regardless, at least I can, and I do like that feature. So I'll have to figure it all out. I don't know how I'm going to. Such a pain. But I'll figure it out regardless. Either way, I'm going to end this video here. As I say before, I don't need likes, I don't need subscriptions. Just leave your comments down below how this is all affecting you guys, because I'm more curious about that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, everyone. Bye bye.